How to choose the right font for your logo. For example, the Dot gives you high-end, sophisticated and traditional look. Garment gives you thoughtful, classical and respected look. Helvetica shows you bold, beautiful and simplistic to the logo. Futura shows innovative, powerful and versatile look. Rockwell shows you impactful, strong and handmade look to the logo. Eurostyle shows power, superiority and authority. Universe, which shows techy, calculative and future forward. These are some of my work which has different fonts used. Which one you like, please comment me in the comment box, and if you have another font, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.